In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make text loop in Framer. We'll be creating a smooth looping text effect using Stacks and Framer's built-in loop effect, and the setup is actually pretty simple once you see how the pieces fit together. Start by opening Framer, then click into the page where you want this animation to appear. Once your page is open, add a text layer directly onto the canvas. This will be the content that scrolls continuously across your design. Next, type in the text you want to loop. This can be a short phrase, a headline, or any repeating message you want visitors to notice. After that, duplicate the text layer so you have an identical copy placed right beside the first one. This duplicate is important because it creates the seamless repeat needed for the looping effect. Now select both text layers, right-click, and choose to add them to a stack. Set that stack's direction to horizontal so the two text layers sit side by side in a single row. This inner stack is what will actually move. After that, select the stack you just created, right-click again, and add it to another stack. Think of this outer stack as the viewing window. It holds the moving text and controls what part of it stays visible on screen. With the outer stack selected, go to the right side Properties panel and set Overflow to Hidden. This makes sure any text moving outside the visible area is clipped, which is what helps the loop look clean and professional. Next, select the inner stack, the one containing the text layers. In the right panel, open Effects and choose Loop. This is where the animation gets applied. Finally, in the loop settings, set the type to X, then reduce the translate X value, for example to -100%, so the text moves one full length to the left. That gives you a continuous horizontal loop. If needed, fine-tune the value so the transition feels perfectly seamless.